All
think
right.
so.
Now it's time for our first birthdays. First, we are wishing a very happy birthday to Carly Jameson. Her parents are Jeff and Corinda Jameson, and we're told Carly loves chasing her brother and sister, playing outside, and crawling as fast as she can. Go, girl.
Nolan Smith is also celebrating his first birthday today. His parents are Nathan and Mandy, who tell us Nolan loves bath time, playing with his puppy, and diving in and out of his toy box.
There you go. Happy birthday to Emma Lynn, speaker. Her parents are Jim and Kim. Emma Lynn loves snuggling, going for walks, oh, she's so adorable, and playing with her brother and sister.
And last but certainly not least, happy birthday to Starvell Brown. Her mother is Starkeisha, who tells us Starvell loves to watch Dora the Explorer and eat chicken.
There you go. If you've got an upcoming first birthday, tell us all about it. All you have to do is log on to WOWT.com/firstbirthdays to upload your photo and tell us about your soon-to-be one-year-old.
Yeah, and you can find that link by clicking the news drop-down menu on our homepage. From there, select first birthdays and follow the instructions. Remember, we must have the photo at least a week in advance.
All right, thank you.